Ulefone has launched a new rugged smartphone, the RugKing, built to survive almost anything. It comes with a massive 9600 mAh battery, a crazy loud 126 decibel speaker, a bright 5.99-inch display, and dust and water resistant. On top of that, it runs Android 15 with some handy AI tools. Let's open the box and see what's inside. First is the documentation pack with a quick start guide, warranty card, and a screen protector to keep the display safe from day one. Below that, you'll find an 18 watts charger, a rugged USB-C cable, and a SIM eject tool. And of course, the star of the show, the phone itself. The RugKing is a solid, heavy-duty phone weighing around 400 grams, and most of that weight comes from its protective build. Despite being chunky, the rubberized sides and textured back make it easy to hold, even with gloves or in wet conditions. The weight is noticeable, but it's well balanced and doesn't feel awkward to carry. The body combines rubber, polycarbonate, and metal reinforcement, giving it a tank-like feel. The front and back have raised bezels to help protect the screen and cameras from drops, and the entire frame feels rigid. No noticeable flex even when gripping tightly. One of the standout features is the 3.5 watts loudspeaker, which is surprisingly loud for a phone this size. On the left, there's a dual SIM tray with micro SD support and a customizable key for quick actions like the flashlight or push to talk. The right side has the volume buttons, a textured power button, and a dedicated camera key. The RugKing has a built-in glare flashlight at the top of the phone. It's bright enough to light up your immediate surroundings, which is handy for camping, hiking, or working at night. The bottom holds the USB-C port, has a 3.5mm headphone jack. It's rated IP68, IP69K, and the military standard, so it can handle water, dust, drops, and extreme temperatures without a problem. The RugKing has a 5.99-inch LCD with a 1440 by 720 resolution. It's bright enough to see outdoors, though in direct sunlight, the screen can struggle a bit compared to higher-end phones. Colors are a little muted and the contrast drops slightly when viewed from the side, but it's perfectly usable for everyday tasks. The touchscreen is responsive for most interactions, though very fast swipes or heavy gaming can feel a little laggy. It's protected by Gorilla Glass and the raised bezels add extra protection. Overall, the display does its job well for a rugged phone, even if it's not as sharp or vibrant as flagship devices. It supports 18-watt fast charging and reverse charging, so you can use it as a power bank to top up other devices. Powering all this is a 9600 mAh battery that easily lasts 2 to 3 days of regular use. The RugKing runs on a Unisoc T7-255 with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. Expandable via microSD, daily tasks, social apps, and streaming run smoothly, while heavy games can lag a bit. It comes with Android 15, Google services, NFC, and Ulefone's AI tools for productivity. Overall, it's solid for a rugged phone, but not a gaming powerhouse. One of the RugKing's standout features is its 126 decibel speaker, which is seriously loud for a phone. In real-world use, it's enough to be heard over construction noise, wind, or a busy campsite. It works well for hands-free calls, group chats, or even playing music outdoors. The sound isn't as detailed as a premium phone, but for a rugged device, it's one of the best I've tried. The RugKing has a 50 megapixel main camera on the back, a 2 megapixel macro camera for close-up shots, and an 8 megapixel front camera for selfies and video calls. I'll show you some actual photos and videos I took with this phone so you can see the real results and know exactly what to expect. Regarding this video from the front camera, which only supports 1080p FHD, it does not show the FPS. See the results. So while recording, we cannot zoom in. This is the result. Let me walk. Okay, it's shaking a little bit, but not too much. See the background? Okay. Now I'm recording the video from the back camera, which also supports 1080p. And this is 1x, this is 2x, and then it can zoom till 4x, 1x. Let's try one more time. The quality is not that good, seriously guys. This is, I think, made for only taking some photos when you are in emergency. Okay, fine. Over there. Okay, that's it. If you need a phone that can handle hard work, outdoor adventures, or tough environments, the RugKing built for the job. It combines a huge battery, a super loud speaker, and rugged durability, along with practical extras like AI tools and accessory support. It's not slim or flashy, but it's tough, practical, and ready for anything. Alright guys, if you're interested in the RugKing, check the purchase link in the description. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Let me feel your lungs and breathe me out. Backseat of my Cadillac.
When the bass gets bumping up in the club, pour another shot and show me some love. I wanna get the party going, ladies to the front. Now let me see you shake it and turn the music up. When the bass gets bumping up in the club, pour another shot and show me some love. I wanna